Hello, and we are back with another video. Today we are going to check this diamond battery operated doorbell. Let's see how many tones we get in this. To use it, just connect two pencil batteries here.
नमस्कार, कृपया दरवाजा खोलिए.
Connect these two wires to a doorbell switch.
नमस्कार, कृपया दरवाजा खोलिए. 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 नमस्कार, कृपया दरवाजा खोलिए.
Universal pencil batteries will give backup around 1 year, but you can use normal pencil battery also, but you will get less backup. Now let's quickly check what's inside. Here we have one small loudspeaker. We have one LED connected with the loudspeaker which blinks when the music plays. Here we have one small amplifier circuit using transistor. And on the back side is the music chip, the playground one. Single transistor amplifier using 8550.